Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first video doing lip gloss. I hope you guys enjoy watching. I'm pretty much just going to be showing you guys how I made my lip gloss step by step. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Keep watching, and I will be leaving everything that I purchased from Amazon below in the description box. So please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more lip gloss and business content. Thank you. Now right here I have my little beater thing. I don't know what the proper name is. But I have, I guess, a mixer that I got from Amazon to pretty much just help mix everything. It's pretty easy. My arm was getting really tired, and eventually my arm started hurting from doing all the mixing with my hands, so that's why I have the mixer. It was actually my first time using it. If I had more lip gloss base in there, I probably would have blended more easy instead of getting all stuck how it is right now. Um, but yeah, that's a good tool to buy.